How to mark invoice is paid in Jobber. In this video, I'll show you how to mark invoice is paid in Jobber. So to get started, go ahead and open Jobber into your browser and then sign in to your account. Now once you're signed in, head over into the invoices tab, and then in here, go ahead and select a specific invoice that you want to mark as paid. Now, before you can mark this invoice as paid, make sure that this invoice has been sent. So make sure to mark it as sent by clicking on this More Actions tab, and under that, go ahead and click on this Send as Sent. And then once it is sent, you can go ahead and find this Collect Payment button at the left side of the Edit button. Click on that. And then once you click on that, that will take you here. So in here, you need to select the payment method used by the specific client to pay for you. So for example, this client paid for you in cash. Simply select cash and then go ahead and enter the details about this cash payment and then select the transaction date for getting paid for this specific transaction. And then once you click on this save button, you'll be able to save this as paid invoice. Now, if you want to email a receipt for the specific client, you can also click on the save and email receipt button to automatically send this client a receipt for their payment and save this invoice as a paid invoice. And that is how you can basically mark invoices paid in Jobber. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.